Hey, good morning. Welcome back to Starlight Farm. It's raining today, so we're in the workshop. And what we got going on is we were going to put a rain spigot or water spigot on a rain barrel. And I know that sounds like a stupid video, but what's different, or not entirely different, but what makes it confusing or complicated is we got a sealed top. So how do you get down in there to put your spigot in there? Well, it's really quite simple, and we just thought we'd do a real fast video to show you how we go about it. So what we've done is I picked out a hole cutting bit that is approximately the same size as the spigot that goes through the barrel. And what we're going to do is we're going to drill a hole down at the bottom of the barrel, like so. Just like that. Now, to get this down and through here, what we have done is there is a hole at the top of it, obviously, a small one. And so what we're going to do is play a little game. I've found an old lug nut, tied it to some string. Doesn't have to be a lug nut, it can be just something small and heavy that will go through this hole. And what we're going to do is we're going to put this down through, and I'm going to turn the angle. We're going to fish that through that hole. The first time I did this, it happened right away. And not so bad this time either. Right out. So, put that down. You might want to put your foot on that because when you're frigging around trying to get that down through there, you can't actually pull that back through. So, give yourself more string than you think you need. And, yeah. And put your foot on it because then you don't have to fish it through again. So, we put this through. Yeah, hopefully this is coming out. So you can see that came follow that string right out to like so. And I probably shouldn't have pulled that string through just in case I messed this up. I've already applied the Teflon tape, and then we put this on it. I believe these thread backwards for some reason. They do. So you get that on there nice and snug. And then you put your end on. So. Probably should Teflon tape this as well. But just to keep this video brief, we're not going to. We're just going to put it on there. And voila! You might have to mess around a little bit, apply the tape, tighten it up, loosen it up, do what you need to do. It is just plastic, so be aware of that. You don't want to come right onto it because you can break it. But there, you've got yourself a nice rain barrel with a beautiful spigot on it. Got that on Amazon for, I can't remember how much because it was quite a while ago when I bought them. And yeah, so if you have a sealed top, that's how you do it. String, something heavy, fish it down through. Thanks for joining us. I hope that helps you out if this was on your to-do list. Until next time.
God bless.